What are you doing, Berkman? How much you got for that asshole? Huh? How much you pay? How much did you get for Chris?
Keep quiet. You know, I promise you, no one will ever know any. Wait!
If I don't do this, I don't live. I have to do this to fucking live.
So here's my advice to you. You go back to whatever nook of the world you call home, and you do whatever it is you're good at. Because this is not it.
You want to know what I'm good at? I'm good at killing people. When I got back from Afghanistan, I was really depressed. I didn't leave the house for months. This friend of my dad's, it's like an uncle to me. He helped me out and gave me a purpose. He told me that what I was good at over there could be useful here. And it's a job, you know, like money's good, and these people I take out, like they're bad people, they're like a piece of shit. But lately, you know, I'm not sleeping, and that depressed feeling is back, you know? Like I know there's more to me than that. Maybe it's not. Maybe it's all I'm good at. Anyway, forget it. Sorry to bother you.
What's that from?
What?
Are you telling me that was an improvisation? Huh. Interesting. The story's nonsense, but there's something to work with. My class is not cheap.
Well, that's not a problem.
You pay in cash.
Yeah,
You pay in advance.
I can do that.
Next class tomorrow, 2 p.m. We start on time.
Absolutely.
What's your last name again?
Block. Barry Block.
You pay in advance.
Great.
Watch your toes.
Oh.